Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Daitya Bhadra Bhadra Sakali Sama. In the material atmosphere, the so-called goodness and so-called badness, they are all the same.
All the same.
Simply a different type of mental concoction. That's all.
If nothing but God exists, then bad thing is also God, and good thing is also God.
Therefore, God realization is real good.
Real good. That's all.
Not this is good, this is bad. That is relative word. You will find everywhere something
good and bad
good.
are the vrittis of chitta.
Yes.
When you make chitta vritti nirodha iti yoga, and that nirod yoga, again that vacuum should not be allowed to be formed, but it should be filled with God.
Yes.
That is bhakti.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
I think my understanding is not.
Yes.
I want to be corrected by you.
I have already told you, Santaras Bhakta. Originally, as spirit soul, everyone is Vaishnava.
Vaishnava.
Everyone is Vaishnava.
No, but by sanskars, birth. Our sanskar is Vaishnava sanskar. Whole community of us.
So how you are becoming ex-community?
No. There is only one community, and that is of humanity. There are all other communities. The animal communities are there.
So that is also another community. If you take simply humanity, that is another community.
Then all communities is one, including...
Why you should neglect the animal community?
That's right. That is why
that is also community.
That is why 24 avatars have been shown to us in Bhagavad. From fish to the highest.
Pandita Samadarshan. If one is Pandit, he does not make any distinction between animal community and human community.
Sunishchaiva Stapakit.
That is Pandita. As soon as you see this is animal community, this is human community, then you are not Pandita. You still require learning.
Right.
ब्रह्मभूत प्रसन्नात्मा न सोचती न कांक्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु. That is real vision.
हमारे માટે સંસ્કૃતનું નિશાળ કાઢવાનો મહારાજ સાહેબે કહ્યું. He is agreeing to start a school for you in Sanskrit and Hindi.
Yes, we also agree.
So find out a man, so long as Maharaj Sahib is here.
Hare Krishna.
One man is coming today.
Then let him start, right, honest, and I will be the student along with you. I want to refresh my all Sanskrit knowledge.
No, Sanskrit knowledge, whatever we have got, that is sufficient for understand.
No,
we don't require to be a Sanskrit scholar.
No, I don't want to be a scholar. I want to learn all the ancient literature. Bhakta does not want to learn even, but I am a little of that temperament. The whole day I pass my time in reading only, practically.
So bhakti is jnana karma dhanavritam. When we'll not try to become a jnani, then he'll come to the stage of bhakti.
I don't mind, but let me
So long
I don't want to remain ajnani.
Huh? No, bhaktas are not ajnani.
Myself. I don't talk of the others.
No, yourself. Bhaktas, they are not ajnani. That is rascaldom. If says the bhaktas are ajnani, that is rascaldom. Because Krishna says, Tesam evanukampartham, aham ajnanajanutama nasvayam. If Krishna helps him to become jnani, then how he is ajnani? It is an ignorance.
Yes.
That say bhaktas are not jnanis. Without jnana there is no question of bhakta. Jnana vairagya juktaya. Bhakta means he is already qualified with jnana and vairagya. That is bhakta. Vasudevi Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayajita Janayati Asu Vairagyam Jnananchajat Ahitakam. It is a mistaken idea. The bhaktas are not very advanced in knowledge. They are not real knowledge.
Yes.
They have got real knowledge. Maunam janmanam ante janman mang prabhujata. When they are surrendered to Krishna,
but some
they are really
absolutely ignorant people.
We don't say
extremely scholastic.
This is the yes, there are many
extremely scholastic they have become afterwards. even though they have not gone to the school.
That's like Jiva Goswami.
Yeah.
Jiva Goswami, there is no comparison of learned scholarship with him. Throughout the whole world, it's such a game. Even great Pandit said
That's right.
that there will be no more such learned philosopher, neither there was, like Jiva Goswami. Yeah. You are also referring to Jiva Goswami.
Yesterday I referred.
Yeah, Jiva
I want
Goswami.
to read his. I
So,
want to read his.
in our Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, there are so many learned scholars, just like my Guru Maharaj.
But Sanskrit, and then I tell you, the Bengalis are the great scholars all round in all respect,
Yeah.
and
So-
we are your followers.
Uh,
Gujaratis. In fact, in India,
Yeah.
next to Bengal comes Gujarat in scholarship, and Maharashtra third.
Now here, Gokhale said, what Bengal thinks today, others will think tomorrow.
That's right. Even
That
in
is
Maramari also you think all here.
Yes, actually this independence movement was started from Bengal.
Yes.
Partition of Bengal and the movement started. Surendranath Banerjee.
Yes, I know.
Gandhi admitted. The father of nation is Surendranath Banerjee. Yes. And later on, actually, if you don't take care of that, the independence came through a Bengali, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes.
Right.
Now in philosophy also Gaudpad was the grandsire of Shankarpad. Gaudpad was he's Govindpad, and Govindpad is Shankaracharya. So that also we see that
Now
Shankar's greatest
taking-
sire was a Bengali gentleman.
Too much taking in political part. Aurobindo, he was a politician.
Yeah, great politician. He was a humanist also.
Yeah.
As a
But he
politician.
left. This is no good.
I think
I must take to
no man
yoga
can
first.
become like an Arvind again.
Yeah.
Very great man. A politician, a saint and what not.
Yes.
And a great Rushi. He is a Rushi. I consider him as a Rushi.
Who?
Arvind. He is a
Rushi?
modern Rushi.
What is that Rushi?
Rushi.
Oh, Rishi, yes.
You call it Rishi, we call it Rushi.
Ah.
That is the difference in pronunciation.
Just like the Udiyas, they call Krishna.
Krishna, yes. And the northern
They cannot
English
say
Krishna.
Krishna, they say Krishna.
We call Krishna. We call Krishna, you call Krishna, they call Krishna.
Yeah.
These are different. But we call Rushi.
Bhavagahi Janardana. But Krishna can't understand who is asking for him.
All languages he understands. All languages are from Om, and Om is God. So all languages are God. Look at my arguments.
Yeah.
Am I
Yeah.
right or wrong?
Why you are wrong? Krishna says, Onkaro Sarvavedis. I am Onkaro Sarvavedis. Anyone who has got this material body, he is not well. He may be possessing very stout and strong body, but he is not well. Because the death is there. So well or no well, you have to meet death. So what is the use
Body
of
means death. If you say you meet death, then you are a Mayavadi.
Huh? No. I am speaking. I'm answering your well
My
and not
question.
well.
That's right.
That's it. When
That's
there is death, then what is the use of calling well and not well?
Not well, that's right.
That is my point. If you can avoid death, disease, old age, then you are well. You cannot avoid all these things. You must become old man. You must die. You must be diseased. Where is the meaning of this well? It is simply concoction. Where is happiness? Where is well-being? That they do not know. Hare Krishna. That they do not know. Just like a man lying on sick bed and some friends come, how are you? Yes, today I am well. What is this well? You are lying on the sick bed, hospital, and you are speaking, yes, I am well. Hare Krishna, Jaya. There is no well. So long you are subject to birth, death, old age and disease, there is no question of well. When you can avoid these things, then you are well.